powered by National Link.
At the start or after a keypad reset, the ATM screen should read, "Out of service with an F000A error code." Select Operator function and log in with the master password. Select No. Select Host Setup. Select Key Management. Select Enter Master Keys. Next screen should ask, do you want to enter key management, and select Yes. Make sure EPP state and secure mode passwords are set up. If not, please watch our instructional video on setting the EPP state. Enter the secure mode passwords you set when you set the EPP state. Make sure key mode at the top is set to TDES3. Select Edit Key. Select Master Key Triple. Select Master K3. The next screen will ask, are sure you want to enter the master keys, the current keys will be deleted, select Yes. On the next screen, select Entry to start typing in Master Key A using the first envelope. Box should turn to a darker blue. Note, the keypad is time sensitive. If you are idle for too long, you will be timed out and locked out for 30 seconds. You must re-enter into the key management menu. On the screen will show a picture of the keypad. Left arrow key is A, right arrow key is B, blank key is C, cancel key is D, clear key is E, enter key is F. Once you are done with the first envelope, verify that the first 4 digits of the check digit on the screen matches the check digits on the envelope. Once check digits are verified, select Import. Note, if the check digits happen to not match or you entered the master key incorrectly, select Entry to re-enter the master key. After selecting Import, you will need to press Entry to start typing in master key B using the second envelope. Once you are done with the second envelope, verify that the first 4 digits check digit on the screen matches what is on the paper. Once check digits are verified, select Import. After the screen changes back to the Edit Key screen, press Cancel on the keypad till you get back to the Key Management screen. Select Check Key. Verify your combined check digit matches what your processor gave you. If the combined check digit matches, turn the ATM off and back on.